In this video, I will guide you on how to delete part of video in CapCut. The first thing you want to do is launch open the CapCut app on your device. Now tap on new video, or you can also use an existing project, then tap on the add option. Now you want to drag the playhead, which is the white line, to where the unwanted part begins. Then tap on it once. Now tap on this split icon. Now you want to drag the playhead to where the unwanted part ends. Then you want to tap on this split icon again. Now you simply want to tap on this unwanted part. So this unwanted clip is going to be selected. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Find the one that says delete. Tap on it. Now you can do that for other unwanted parts as well. In this way, you can easily delete part of video in CapCut. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.